Hi, I'm Wongster 1970. Today I'm going to be replacing the front brake pads and rotors and flushing the brake fluid on this 2001 Ford F150. Let's get started. First thing we're going to be doing is removing the hubcap. Already got this side of the truck picked up or lifted up. This is a 21mm socket, so I'm going to take these off. Get this out of the way. Okay, these are a 13mm. And they should be about, I think, 21 foot-pounds, something like that. They shouldn't be very tight. Hopefully she'll slide off. Pins seem okay, but I'm gonna grease them up. Now I've got to go and move the two bolts back here. They are maybe a 17mm. I think they're gonna be a lot bigger than that. Let me check. These are an 18mm. They're probably pretty darn tight. Alright. Brake pads are pretty rough. This is the other brake pad. Still material in there, but it's cracked. I'm going to remove the rotor. I think I had these off not too long ago. This is a replacement part number from Advanced Auto Parts, part number YH145146. These are the CarQuest Premium. I've already cleaned off the rotor with brake clean, wiped it down to get any oils off of it. I just got to slide her back on there. So I'm going to grease these up. Yeah, it's looking rusty. And I'm going to clean them, grease them up, put them back in, and find the replacement brake hardware for this and put that on also. Some of this brake and caliper grease on the slide pins. After I cleaned them off, there's one. I'll put that back in there. Looks like it's still a little bit of fresh grease on the end of them. Pretty sure I replaced these whole assemblies last year. Probably should have painted them, but I did not. Okay, I'm going to get my brake hardware and I'll be right back. These are replacement brake pads. They are part number PXD679H. These are the Professional Platinum Truck SUV series. Lifetime warranty, limited lifetime warranty. And I'm putting some of this grease on the contact areas for the brake pads. Put some on this side. And then I'm going to put some never sees on these bolts. I'm going to slide this back up on the adapter. Okay, let me find the torque specs. Torque specs for the caliper adapters are supposed to be 136 foot-pounds. $136. There we go. Okay. Okay, I used a 3/8 socket to get this started. Now I'm using an open-end wrench, and I need to find my clamp to get this thing compressed. Got that one compressed. Get towards the bottom. I'm gonna close her off. Go. I think it was the outer one that had the wear indicator on it. So I'm going to put one with the wear indicator on the outside. Oops. Get on there. There we go. Get this other one on there. And just slide up in the. Just slide right in there. That out. Maybe use a wire brush in there. Watch out for brake dust. This isn't good for you. Put the replacement one in here. I'm going to put some lube on the slide here. contact surface for the brake pad, I should say. And then I'm going to slide that back on. I'm going to go find the torque specs for them. Torque specs are 21 to 26 foot-pounds. So I'm setting it to 24. 24. And it's 24. Okay, this side is all done. I'm going to go over to the other side and do that. Okay, I got the brakes installed on this side along with the rotor, and everything's good to go. Blowed out the old brake fluid and checked the master cylinder, and that seems to be good also. Torquing the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. Put the hubcap on. And we should be good to go. Well, that'll do it for replacing the front brake rotors and brake pads on the 2001 Ford F-150. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.